Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to decorate your Google Docs notes. If you plan to use this process for the majority of your notes, it may not be the most efficient. Rather, I suggest using this on your outputs or projects that you'll pass to your teacher. Nevertheless, you can still use it anywhere you want. And yes, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open Google Docs, click on the blank presentation, then go to colorhunt.co and look for a color palette so you can achieve cohesiveness on your notes. For this tutorial, I will just use the content from different websites. You can supply information to your Google Docs notes from your draft notes or from your teacher's PowerPoint. So going back to Google Docs, click on the File tab, then the Page Setup option. Choose the paper size you will use and you can select a page color if you want. You can copy the dimensions I included here or place your preferred size for the margins. I suggest that you place your color palette and Google Docs window side by side so it will be more convenient. Now we will add a title page. Click the Insert tab, then the Drawing option and New. On the Drawline section, choose a curve, then create an irregular shape. It doesn't need to be perfect, but make sure that both ends will meet so that you can add a shape fill. Select the shape and duplicate it. I will do this 3 times, but you can add as many shapes as you want. Apply a fill color. You can click on the color code from the palette and it will automatically be copied. Paste it on this color picker menu and just look for the perfect shade you like. I applied the blue, purple, and yellow colors. Choose the shape outline you want, but I will leave mine transparent. Adjust it a bit. So to add a text, click the text box option. Click the Actions drop-down menu and choose Word Art. Type the topic's title and then click Enter. Choose the font that you want. You can click on More Fonts to look for other font styles. Select a font to add to your list. I chose the Calistoga font for the title, applied a white text color, then a purple text outline, and set the outline thickness to 2. I will then duplicate the text, use a purple font color, right-click on it and send it backward to have this shadow effect. Make some adjustments. Then I will add a plain text box under it. You can add the subject name or the date, or you can just leave it blank. So I chose the Fuga's 1 font and applied a blue font color for this text. Click on OK if you're done creating your title. Adjust its size and you can add a definition or your notes under it. For the majority of the text, I will use the Didact Gothic font. For the header 1 style I will be creating, click on New Drawing again, select the Action drop-down menu and choose Word Art. Add a text and choose a font color and style. Here I set the font color to pink and white for the outline. Duplicate the text, make the font color pink this time and send it back. Add a shape, so I chose this rounded edge shape and set the color to a light shade of yellow. Then click on Save and Close. Adjust the size of the header and proceed on adding your notes. I will not be including all of the definitions because this video may take much longer. I set the font to Fuga's 1 for my header 2 style and used a blue font color. Add the definition or additional notes under it. Again, I used Didact Gothic and an 11 font size for most of the text or descriptions. Set the line space to single to save more room for additional notes. If you will add another header 1 text, just duplicate the one you created a while ago. Click the Edit option and choose the text on the 2 text boxes you included, adjust the shape, and save the drawing. If you will add enumerations, make use of the bullet. And by right-clicking on it, You can find other bullet design you can apply. I will use this small letter I bullet style and supply additional notes. I will then duplicate the header and repeat the process. But this time, I will change its shape to this design. So I use a light blue color with a white shape outline color. Duplicate the shape, apply a darker shade of blue to have a shadow effect, and send the shape to the back. Add a text box and supply the notes you want to add. Edit their font style and color. And lastly is to save and adjust their size. Another way you can design your Google Docs notes is to add more shapes. Repeat the process for header 1. Duplicate the shape and adjust it. Add a text box and place your notes here. Change their font and font styles. I then changed the terms font to differentiate it from the definition. Next is to duplicate the shape again and use a darker shade. Send it back to have a shadow style. Repeat this process until you include all the terms. You can then add some images to your notes. I added this border shape here and used a purple color. I also applied the shadow style technique that we've been using in this video. Then click Save and Close. Next is to add a title above it. I will add another drawing, choose the curve line and make some wavy shapes. So I will make 2 of this and set 2 different colors. Choose the behind the text option and place these wavy lines beside the title. You can add a grid design if you're not into this plain background. I will link this photo below. Just save it and add the image to your Google Docs. Place it behind the text and adjust the transparency. I set it around 58%, then adjust it so it will cover most of the page. Duplicate this and place it on your next page. So this is what it looks like, and you can now print it. If you want to use this template, I added the link below and a step-by-step guide on having your copy. This is what the template looks like. Go to the File tab, click on Make a Copy, add a file name, choose a folder where you want to save the template, and click OK. And yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to subscribe. And yes, that is all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys.